You know, when it comes to seeds, just like everything else in life, you get what you pay for. This is one of my favorite companies. They put out collections of seeds. So I'm ready to start tomatoes, and in this one packet I have 3 different kinds. What's great about these seed packets is how much information they provide. If I look on the back, there's a flap here that describes every kind of tomato inside this packet. And then underneath it tells me how to start the seeds, how to grow them, how to harvest them, and how to enjoy them. The most important part is right here up along the edge. It tells me what time of year to start those seeds indoors. That means I have to start them in pots. How long until I can expect them to sprout? How long until I can plant them outdoors in my garden? What height they're going to get when they're mature, and that's important with tomatoes because I have to give them support. And then how long from the time I plant them until the time that they actually produce. In this case, about 3 months from the time I start seeds. If you want good produce, you gotta have good seeds.